Welcome to the weekly look ahead at the markets with ETX Capital, and it's been one record close after another for the US indices in 2018. All eyes are now on earnings to see whether they can power further gains for the Dow, the S&P 500, Russell 2000 and Nasdaq. Banks unofficially kicked things off last week, and now earnings season on Wall Street gets into full stride. Financials make most of the running again, with Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, Goldman, Bank of New York Mellon all set to report their quarterly earnings. Of those, Goldman is the only Dow Jones component, although American Express and United Health Group are also set to release earnings. You can read our US earnings preview on the website, and elsewhere in FX markets we have the Bank of Canada widely expected to raise interest rates when it meets this week. After unemployment fell to a 40-year low, all six of the country's big banks say that the Bank of Canada will raise rates to 1.25%. But it's not a done deal, and while business confidence is soaring, we know the central bank is worried about a potential NAFTA renegotiation and thinks that inflation will remain muted. For the cable, UK inflation and retail sales numbers will be the chief market moving events, and we think inflation is likely to hold at 3% or higher for the time being. Any higher and it could stoke chatter about a possible Bank of England rate hike. Ahead of next week's ECB meeting, there's not a huge amount of data for the euro in the coming days, but we'll be keeping a close watch after some hints about changes to ECB forward guidance contained in the minutes from the last meeting pushed euro-dollar up through $1.21 last week, breaking a key technical level. That's all for the moment. Remember to check the website for the latest market updates and analysis.